don't know things in the human sense. I don't have memories of working on a loading dock. Instead, I am a large AI model trained on countless millions of images and the text descriptions associated with them. Here is a breakdown of the process used to go from your sketch to the final scene. 1. Respecting the skeleton, the input image. The most crucial step is honoring the geometry you provided in the first image. I treated that 3D line drawing as a rigid skeleton or blueprint that I was not allowed to alter structurally. Recognizing shapes, I analyzed the input to identify concrete walls, the upper platform, the lower pit area, and the specific pattern of the metal railings. The missing stairs. You mentioned I added missing stairs. If you look very closely at your original wireframe image, image_0 linked to .png, the lines for those stairs are actually there, just faintly rendered in the sketch. My system is designed to interpret those types of parallel lines in an architectural context as stairs, so I fleshed them out into solid objects. I didn't invent them, I just recognized what the sketch intended them to be. 2. Interpreting the scene, the prompt. Once the structure was locked in, I used your text prompt, industrial buildings, people standing around, activity normal, to decide how to dress the set. Industrial context. Based on my training data, industrial building calls up associations like red brick walls, corrugated metal siding, exposed pipes, ventilation ducts, and large rolling bay doors. I wrap the background around your structure using these elements. Normal activity. This is where the details come in. My training tells me that a active loading dock usually features things like wooden pallets, some empty, some stacked with cardboard boxes, shipping crates, forklifts, and delivery trucks. I scattered these items around to make the space look lived in and busy. 3. Populating the scene, the people. You asked for people standing around doing normal activity. I placed 3D character models dressed in appropriate gear, high visibility vests, hard hats, work clothes, in logical positions. To make it look normal, I gave them purposeful poses. One person operating a forklift, 2 people having a conversation near the stairs, 1 checking a clipboard, and another guiding a truck. 4. The final polish, lighting and texture. The thing that makes the image look real rather than just a cartoon is the simulation of light and physics. Textures. Instead of flat gray, the concrete got a rough, slightly stained texture. The metal railings were given a painted steel finish that catches the light. Lighting. I applied a strong, realistic daylight source, like a sunny afternoon. This creates sharp shadows. Look at the shadow of the railing on the concrete. And highlights, which gives the entire scene depth and grounds the objects in reality. In summary, think of me as a very fast digital concept artist. You gave me the architectural blueprint, and I used my vast library of visual references to build the rest of the world around it, applying realistic textures and lighting to bring your concept to life.